guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is the start of this weekend's vlog and we have so many fun things planned. We are about to head to my bridal alterations appointment. So we're gonna go into the beautiful store and I'll get to try on my dress and start the alterations. Then we're gonna do some bridal shower prep because tomorrow my family is throwing a bridal shower for me, which will be so fun, and I'll take you along with that. And then the next day we're gonna do some flower girl dress shopping and who knows what else we'll do along the way. So hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and let's go ahead and do some wedding stuff. Okay, so the first stop is Miosa Bridal to try on my wedding dress and begin those alterations. Every time I step in the store, I am just amazed at how beautiful it is. It is so exciting to get to come back, and I'm looking forward to seeing how the alterations turn out. And I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek, so this is all you get, but here it is, and that's it. There'll be a full wedding dress video coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Good morning, it is the next day and we are at the bridal shower location. I'll show you guys in a second. It looks so cute out here. I have a few things that I just picked up from FedEx to help out a little bit. It feels weird not being the one helping out at all, but anyways, let's go inside and see the bridal shower decorations. I think they're wrapping things up, but I am gonna try and help a little bit if I can. My bridal shower theme was a tea party, and it was so cute and so girly and such a fun time. It was also a great time to catch up with friends and family as well. So now that you guys have seen the bridal shower decorations and how it was all set up, I'm so thankful to everyone who put that together and who was also able to come. I wanted to give you guys some ideas if you're also a bride looking for some registry items. So I have with me a few different things that I registered for. We're so thankful for all the items we received, and I thought I would share some inspiration with you of different ideas and things that you can put on your registry as well. We have used Zola for our wedding website and our registry, and it makes it really easy to put items off of any different website and put them all in one place. So if there's something you like from Target that you want to put on and Amazon, you can put that all on one list, which is amazing because sometimes you like things from different stores. I'll also try and link everything I can down below if it's something you want to add to your registry as well. So the first item is this salad bowl from Hearth and Hand. It is Magnolia. It is the Magnolia brand. I almost just hit myself in the face with this. And then these salad claws, which are so beautiful together. I really like the wood look, especially since we have a marble table, so it kind of looks really nice contrasted next to each other. So love this and can't wait to use this. Another item we received, which was not on our registry, but it was a sweet gift off of Etsy. So this is a tea box and it has our names engraved inside. Let's see if I can open this without spilling them everywhere. Obviously we've used all of the Earl Grey, but it has a bunch of different teas and some mints. Really cute gift idea. This is something you could put on your registry from Etsy if it's something that you like as well. There's so many different things on Etsy that you can customize, which why not put it on your registry if there's something you really like. Okay, moving on to another Target item, which is so big it's like probably not even gonna fit in the frame, but it's this beautiful charcuterie board. I am obsessed with this and I cannot wait to use it. I also received one other cheese plate and charcuterie board set that I don't have with me right at this moment. And if you're like me and you love charcuterie, I would have this one displayed with like the other set and then use the knife set for both. But this is like a charcuterie girl's dream come true. Okay, moving on to Amazon with a few other things. I put this on our registry because we are going to Maui for our honeymoon and we've both never been to Maui or Hawaii at all. This is a diving waterproof case. So theoretically you put your phone inside this case and it seals shut and then you can take it underwater. So we'll see if Nick's phone or my phone will go in this. Luckily we both have insurance, so it's okay, we'll be fine. But this is really exciting. I can't wait to use this to get pictures and videos underwater. Along with that, I've also noticed it's possible to rent fins and snorkel gear from different places throughout Maui. But I was like, well, you know, it's probably better we just get our own and then we don't have to use others that have been used and obviously sanitized, but I'll put a picture here of the 2 different items that we received for this, so thank you for that. Also, we're so excited to use these. And then we can have them for ourselves too after the honeymoon, so we'll just have to make sure we remember to pack those. Another item that we've had on the registry are these amazing sheets from Cozy Earth, and I'm actually partnering with Cozy Earth on today's video, so thank you, Cozy Earth. I'm so excited to share this product with you because I have been geeking out over their products. This company has thousands of 5-star reviews, so I'm like, okay, I have to try it. I'm honestly so excited to share these products with you and give you my honest feedback because I have seen these all over the internet and all over YouTube, and I finally get to try them for myself and give you guys my honest opinion. You know, when your sheets come in a tote bag, they have to be nice, right? I mean, the quality of this presentation is just superb. If you haven't heard about Cozy Earth, they are a premium bedding and loungewear company. So not only do they have a bunch of duvet covers, sheets, pillowcases, anything you can think of like that, they also have really comfortable loungewear. I've yet to try it, but it is definitely on my must-have list and likely will be on my registry for the wedding as well. So what do you say we open these up? I'm dying to see them inside. So this is the light gray option. There's also a bunch of new colors on the website. All of their items are made from premium sustainable bamboo, which is how they get that incredibly soft feel. So this comes with the main sheet and 2 pillowcases that are also so soft, and then 1 top sheet. I just kind of want to wrap myself in these. They are so soft. I am like so excited to go to sleep tonight. They are also antibacterial. Did you know sheets could be antibacterial? Because I didn't. It makes you wonder what kind of bacteria is in my sheets if they need to be antibacterial. Good thing I have new sheets. All of their products are certified free of harsh chemicals and dyes, which that is the utmost important when you're sleeping in these products for hopefully 8 hours a night. If you're sleeping less, then it's even more important that you get these sheets because you're spending so many hours in this fabric. You want to make sure that you're not doing something damaging to your skin with a bunch of chemicals. So these sheets are known to be temperature regulating, so if you're one that gets really hot at night or really cold at night, this will help regulate your sleep temperature. They are the world's foremost source of high quality, authentic bamboo linens, sleepwear, and loungewear. And their products are exponentially softer and naturally wick moisture, thus reducing humidity and regulating your body temperature for unparalleled feel and experience. They also have an enhanced weave quality that won't pile. Cozy Earth is so confident that you'll love their products. You can try anything risk-free with their 100-night trial. If you don't love it, you can return it after 100 days. Cozy Earth has generously provided me with a coupon code for you, which is CourtneyW40, and that will get you 40% off your purchase with Cozy Earth. I also have a special link that will take you to the website and provide the coupon code for you, so make sure you check that out in the description below. Make sure you get your items from Cozy Earth as soon as possible while this offer still lasts. And don't forget, if you purchase anything from Cozy Earth, to share #SleepCozyEarth so that Cozy Earth can see you enjoying your Cozy Earth products. Okay, now that my bed is all ready for me to go to sleep, I have some more items to show you. I was so excited when I found this cake stand and cake topper. This cake stand and lid, these actually were 2 separate items that I found. This is a 12-inch cake stand from Amazon. Like I said, I could link any items from any website on Zola, which is so nice. And I just love this beading around the edge. And this is also a cake stand cover that just happens to go on perfectly. I cannot wait to have like donuts or cakes in this when we're hosting people, and to use these for like birthdays and a bunch of treats to come in the future. Some other things, I got this hat from Amazon as well, so it's perfect for the sun when we go on the honeymoon to have, because I am pale and I will definitely burn, and I have to do everything possible to avoid that. And with that, I got this cute beach bag. Inside this beach bag, we have the necessary sunbum sunscreen, some flip-flops, face mask. Probably don't want to use that well in the sun, but separately. Some lotion, some cute sunnies. Let's see how these look. Some adorable earrings, and 2 beach towels. I love these colors. A nice muted yellow and orange. And then this adorable swimsuit cover up to go with that hat and glasses. And then we also got some little bottles, some glass bottles. to put some sand or water in, probably sand, as a little memory of the trip. Another thing on here that's a really good idea that we were gifted are these little personal luggage tags. So personalized luggage tags are definitely another cute thing to put on your registry. On top of that, we've also have a honeymoon fund and different items that people have chosen to contribute to, which is so sweet. Specifically, we have like a sail and dinner cruise that we want to do in Maui. We also just have a honeymoon fund where people can contribute whatever they would like. That's another great alternative. I do recommend having a few items because sometimes people want to give you a physical gift versus money, but it's nice to have both options. Well, specifically for us, we've lived together for so long that we have a lot of those necessities. So this is really a chance to upgrade your items that you already have or to get some nice items that you would like as a gift. And it's a nice guide too to kind of give your guests an idea of things you may need or that you may really be wanting. Now that I've showed you some of the different items we've received and talked about some ideas for your registry, let's go back and look at some flower girl dresses. For hanging out with me and being a part of today's video. I cannot wait to share all the exciting wedding content to come, and I'll see you real soon. Thanks. Bye. So first thing we have is a salad bowl and salad, what are these called? I'm a really big fan of like wood. Are you good back there? Get down, get down, get down, get down. Magnolia. It is the Magnolia brand. I almost just hit myself in the face with this. Ta-da!